How to start a conversation with your crush over text. It can be nerve-wracking, but fear not. I've got some tips and tricks that will help you make a great impression and keep the conversation flowing. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Be genuine and authentic. When starting a conversation with your crush, it's important to be yourself. Authenticity is key to building a genuine connection. Avoid using generic pickup lines or being overly formal. Instead, find a natural way to start the conversation based on something you have in common or an observation you'd like to share. Step 2. Start with a friendly and casual opener. A good way to break the ice is by using a friendly and casual opener. For example, you could say something like, "Hey, crush's name, I just watched that movie you recommended. It was amazing. Have you seen any good movies lately?" This shows your interest in their recommendations and opens up the conversation to their interests. Step 3. Show genuine interest. It's important to show your crush that you're genuinely interested in them and what they have to say. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. For instance, you could ask, "What are your hobbies or interests?" or "Do you have any exciting plans for the weekend?" This will help keep the conversation engaging and allow you to learn more about each other. Step 4. Use humor. Humor is a great way to make a connection and keep the conversation lighthearted. Share funny anecdotes or memes that relate to your previous conversations or common interests. Laughter can create a bond between you and your crush, making the conversation more enjoyable and memorable. Step 5. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Remember, the goal is to build a connection, and that can only happen if you're true to yourself. Share your thoughts, opinions, and experiences without fear of judgment. If your crush appreciates you for who you are, then that's a great foundation for a potential relationship. Step 6. Take it offline. While texting is a great way to start a conversation, it's essential to move beyond it and meet in person. Suggest meeting up for a coffee, lunch, or any activity that you both enjoy. Taking the conversation offline shows your crush that you're interested in getting to know them on a deeper level. Step 7. Be patient. Remember, building a connection takes time, and not every conversation will be perfect. Don't get discouraged if the conversation doesn't flow as smoothly as you'd like. Be patient, and give your crush time to respond. Avoid sending multiple messages in a row or becoming overly clingy. Give them space to engage with you at their own pace. And there you have it. 7 steps to help you start a conversation with your crush over text. Just remember to be yourself, show genuine interest, and don't be afraid to inject some humor. Take it slow, and remember that the ultimate goal is to establish a real connection. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.